An international affairs analyst in Kenya has explained why he believes China's economy is resilient and has great potential.
So an economy's resilience is seen through its capacity to withstand shocks. It's a very broad-based economy because it has many facets, because it has a very strong manufacturing capacity, it has very large market of 1.4 billion people, it has a huge middle class. One, it's a huge market, so all manner of goods and services. Two, its rising in production capacity means that goods are able to be produced more to supply the world. And because the world economy is expected to rise, then it means that the demand for goods and services is going to be managed, it's going to be achieved. This is the second largest economy in the world. I think the most impressive thing is its futuristic outlook, willing to embrace new ways of doing things, willing to strike out in new ways. I think that is what is most impressive about it. Key things that one could say is that it seems to be now determined to open up to more foreign investment. It seems to embrace the green economy growth, because that the whole world now is trying to turn green for environmental sustainability. So I think, and of course, the fact that now there's a major drive by the Chinese government to rebalance the economy so that the eastern and the coastal sides, which have seem to have enjoyed the majority of the economic growth in China, now the government would like to see the other sections that have not been enjoying as much economic growth enjoy the same level of economic prosperity.